Now, the other thing is this. I want to show you my 6-step really quick. The 6-step points you can tap. Very center of the top of your head.
If you're listening only, you probably want to go to the
We're going to
YouTube
describe it.
video
The
for
very
this.
center of the top of your head,
Right.
tap with your other hand.
Okay,
Then the very center of your forehead with your other hand.
Mm-hmm.
Then outside your eye, just on either eye on the bone, directly under your eye on the cheekbone, and then your collarbone just off to one side on the underside, under edge of it on either side. Doesn't matter. And finally, you're going to either tap your wrist or squeeze your wrist and hold it. Now, the way you set it up, say you feel anxious, say you feel afraid. So it's something like, I haven't heard from my daughter. And you can tell. How scared do you feel? Give it a number out of 10. This is the subjective units of distress. It's about a 7 out of 10. I'm feeling pretty bad. Okay, so you say, tap on the top of your head and say, worried about my daughter. Tap in the middle of your forehead. I'm worried about my daughter. I've got this fear about my daughter. You're tapping the outside corner of your eye, under the eye, saying this fear about my daughter. I'm worried about my daughter. Do the whole sequence, grip, take a deep breath, and you can do Robert Smith's thing, relax and say, peace. That anchors the word peace to it. Then check. You'll notice now it's not a 7. It might be a 2. It might be gone. Just do it until it's gone. Always take it to 0.
It seems weird, and it works.
But it works, yeah. It absolutely works.
Right.
And
that's it.
That's it.